Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today's episode dives deep into the highly anticipated GoPro Hero 13 Black. With action camera giants like DJI and Insta360 breathing down their necks, GoPro needs to innovate to stay ahead of the curve. So what can we expect from the Hero 13 Black? Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because we're about to explore the rumor mill, a legacy of performance and convenience. For years, GoPro has dominated the action camera market. Their cameras are renowned for their rugged build, portability, and stunning image quality. But the competition is fierce, and GoPro can't afford to rest on its laurels. The Hero 13 Black is rumored to pack some serious upgrades that might leave competitors scrambling. Here's a breakdown of the exciting possibilities. Next-gen powerhouse. The whispers suggest a revolutionary GP3 processor. This powerhouse could not only address the long-standing overheating issue, but also pave the way for a larger sensor. Imagine capturing breathtaking low-light footage that surpasses anything an action camera has achieved before. Hypersmooth 7.0. Smooth operator. GoPro's signature, Hypersmooth technology is legendary for its ability to stabilize even the shakiest footage. The Hero 13 Black is expected to feature Hypersmooth 7.0, taking image stabilization to a whole new level. Whether you're shredding down a mountain bike trail or kayaking through rapids, your videos will be butter smooth. Software optimization, a user-friendly experience. Let's be honest, glitchy software can ruin the user experience. We've all experienced app crashes and freezes at the worst possible moments. GoPro has a golden opportunity to improve its app's user experience by making it more stable and feature-rich. Imagine having a plethora of editing tools and functionalities right at your fingertips. Addressing long-standing issues. GoPro fans have been vocal about two major pain points: overheating and outdated app functionality. The Hero 13 Black has the potential to address both these concerns. Overheating woes, a thing of the past? The current generation of GoPro cameras tends to overheat, especially during extended recording sessions. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially for vloggers and adventure enthusiasts who rely on their cameras for long stretches. The GP3 processor, coupled with a potentially redesigned heat sink, could be the key to solving this problem definitively. App functionality. More than just a viewing platform. Action camera apps are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They allow for remote control, editing on the go, and even live streaming. GoPro's app needs an overhaul to compete with the offerings of its rivals. A more user-friendly interface, a wider range of editing features, and seamless integration with social media platforms would be a welcome change. Beyond the rumors, what else do we want? While rumors are exciting, let's not forget the features we truly crave. Here are some additional upgrades that would make the Hero 13 Black an even more compelling proposition. A touchscreen for intuitive control. A touchscreen display would revolutionize the way we interact with the Hero 13 Black. Imagine navigating menus, changing settings, and even previewing footage with just a tap. Improved battery life. Longer battery life is a constant wishlist item for action camera users. The Hero 13 Black can take us a step closer to worry-free recording adventures with a more efficient battery or even a user-replaceable option. Modular design for customization. Imagine being able to swap out lenses, microphones, and other components to tailor the Hero 13 Black to your specific needs. A modular design would open up a world of creative possibilities for action camera enthusiasts. The verdict? Can GoPro reclaim its dominance? Only time will tell if the Hero 13 Black lives up to the hype. However, based on the rumors and speculation, it seems like GoPro is determined to reclaim its position as the undisputed king of action cameras. With a powerful processor, improved image stabilization, and a focus on user experience, the Hero 13 Black has the potential to be a game changer. What are your thoughts? What features are you most excited about in the Hero 13 Black? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech news and updates.